Welcome to my YouTube channel. As you know, if your website or blog has core web vitals error, then your website will never rank in Google. So how do I fix the core web vitals errors and website loading speed of my website? So this video is for those people who are worried about the core web vital errors and website loading speed of their website. First of all, let me show you the speed and core web vital result of my website. So this is my core web vitals error, and you will see here the core web vital assessment is passed because I am using Rishi themes, and I will show you how to install Rishi themes. And because of this, I am getting last 7 days I will just show you most recent, matlab today's traffic is 3000. Okay, and the last 7 days I will show you my traffic is 23,000. Okay, means that you will get a 3000 per day traffic. I'm getting 3000 per day traffic in my website. I will also show you last 28 days my traffic. You will see 76,000 traffic in my website, and average position is 8.5. Okay, because of this core web vital error I have solved because I am using Rishi themes. So how you can install Rishi themes? So just go to rishithemes.com. It's free to download and lifetime you can use, and it's a mention core web vital optimize WordPress themes. So if you have a core web vital error in your web page or your blog, so I will just suggest you just go to rishithemes.com and install these themes, and your core web vital will be solved. Okay, so I am using Rishi themes in my health website. I will just show you, this is my another website, this is my health website, and I am using this theme Rishi themes in my website. And I will also show you my another website. This is my another website, coursesudemy.com, and here I am publish my new courses, Udemy courses, and you will see here the look and feel is very good. So it's matter if your website looks good, so user can engage more and you will definitely rank in Google. So how to install Rishi themes? I will already upload one video how to install Rishi themes. Just go to my description and you will see how to install Rishi themes and how to optimize your website with Rishi themes. Okay, and before that I would like to tell what is the core web vital. What is core web vital? Core web vital are a specific set of factors that Google considers necessary point to your website visitors experience. The core web vital Google will be looking at are: first, how fast your web page load, how interactive are the aspect of your website, and third one is your website is stable or not. Okay, and what is the LCP? The core web vital signals, the three main signal that will play into the core web vital are: first is LCP, largest content per paint, refer to how long your web page takes to load, and what this include is all the render times, the size of embedded image and videos, and the text on the page. Second one is CLS, cumulative layout shift. Focus on the stability of your web page. The stability refer to those minor shift on the page that result in someone clicking on an icon or button they don't want. Okay. And the third one is FID, first input delay, is all about how user reactive and interactive your site. If user could be confused and frustrated, with which will negatively affect business. And core web vital, how to measure and fix your site. There are the various way to measure core web vital vector metrics for the website. First is the Google PageSpeed Insight. Second one is the Chrome UX report, and third one is Google Search Console. By using the Google Search Console, you can measure it. And fourth one is a Chrome Dev Tools, and fifth one I think Web Vital extension. You can measure and fix that core Web Vitals errors.